Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. I know it's looking a little different. The lighting's a little bit off. It's the evening, so I just have my normal lights on, and also it might be a little bit loud because my kids, it's kind of late, and so you know how kids are when it gets a little late, they get louder as the night goes on. So I just wanted to show you what my haul was from my latest Scentsy haul, but this is actually came from my launch party. So I hosted a launch party for, if you didn't know, I became a Scentsy consultant a couple weeks ago, and I did a launch party just to establish myself. I made a new Facebook group, so I thought it would be kind of fun to do a launch party. So I got some free product credit that I bought some stuff with. I got a half price item. And then I added a couple things to my order anyway, just to get me to the next tier. So I bought for my own party too. But I thought that I would share that with you because it came in this box. There's a couple things that I actually got that I put in some mail, but I'll go over that real quick. But I thought I would share this with you. And if you're new to my channel, I hope that you will subscribe. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And again, if you are not new, like I always say, welcome back and thank you. Okay, so let's get to what I have in this haul. My half price items were actually the Laundry Love Bundle, which is normally $50 for all the items I'm about to show you. And I got it in everything is in Clothesline. So Clothesline is my absolute favorite scent in the laundry. It is just the best, just fresh, clean, strong laundry scent. I've actually never used the laundry liquid. I usually only use the washer whiffs and the dryer discs. So I'm really excited to try this out. But it comes with one laundry liquid. They say that this gives about 50 loads. We'll see. I'm kind of skeptical about this because it's really small. It comes in my favorite laundry item, which is the washer whiffs. And this is the big tub. They do come in a smaller container if you'd like. If you're just trying something out, but this should last me, gosh, I would say about between 40 and 50 loads if doing 1.5 scoops. I really love this stuff. And it also comes in 2 dryer bars. I don't use liquid fabric softener very much, so I didn't get the Scent Soft, but it comes with the 2 dryer discs. I love this. This just gives the finishing touch of great scent. This replaces the dryer sheets that you would put in your laundry. So this was normally $50. So all of this is normally $50, like I said, for the Laundry Love Bundle. And I got it all for, let's see if I can hold it up together, for $25 for my half price item. So let's see what else I got. I got a bunch of scent circles. I got 2 6-pack bundles of them. This is what I actually like to use. I don't use scent circles that often. I like to use them for my thank you cards for people that place their first order with me. I like to put a little something in there with my thank you cards. So a lot of people either use them in their cars. They usually last about 2 weeks in the car, maybe 2 or 3 weeks. Some people put them in their dresser drawers. I like to put them in my closet. So I'll go through them real quick. Pumpkin roll, delicious. I have Luna, a really nice soft floral scent. Very snowy spruce, an amazing Christmas tree scent. Sea salt and avocado, just a classic fresh crisp scent. Apple and cinnamon sticks, can't beat that for the fall. Oh, I have another sea salt and avocado. Sheer leather. I actually got 2 of these, but I just gave one to my brother because my sister-in-law set up a party with me. So I gave her one of these to put for my brother because for some reason he really likes the leather scents. Coconut lemongrass, really nice, fresh citrusy. Black raspberry vanilla, classic bestseller. And 2 Amazon rains, which are nice sweet florals. So like I said, these were 2 6-pack bundles, and I think they're normally $15 each per bundle. I already have one of these going, and I should have kept the box, but I actually got one of those Scentsy wall diffusers. And actually what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put a picture of the diffuser in my laundry room, which is where I put it right here. Okay, so I was gonna try that out because I kept hearing really great things about it, but I usually have wallflowers in my bathrooms and bedrooms, the Bath and Body Works ones, but I really wanted to try it out and I had the free credit. So I was like, okay, I'll go ahead and use it to buy the wall fan diffuser, which was, I believe, $20 or $25. I can't remember. I got the star design, and I got this pod to go along with it. This is in Clothesline. Clothesline is the same scent that I got my laundry in, and I figured since it's the laundry room's diffuser, that's where I was gonna put it, or I mean, that is the scent that I wanted with it. And I'm telling you, so you can put 2 pods in it at once if you want. I put in 1 and I turned it on. I walked away for 10 minutes and then I went back into the laundry room and it smelled so good. All you need is 1. You can put 2, like maybe if you're putting it in a much larger area, but for my laundry room, 1 was perfectly enough, and each pod gives you about 120 hours worth of fan time. So I had it turned on, you know, I'll probably have it on maybe a few hours a day, especially when I have company that might be coming through the laundry room. But I am really loving the wall diffuser that I got, and I'm loving these pods. I can't wait to add more. And I'm actually thinking about replacing, the either the bedrooms or the bathrooms, I'm not sure, with those fan diffusers because I think that they're wonderful. I got one 20-watt bulb because I have a 20-watt warmer going on downstairs, and it never hurts to add one of these two. They're $2. I mean, I will say if you have a Scentsy warmer, the warranty becomes null and void if you replace a bulb with a non-Scentsy bulb. But the great thing is that Scentsy replaces the bulbs and they're very inexpensive. So it never hurts to have an extra on hand. Okay, I'm gonna show you the bars that I got. I did a bundle and save of 6 bars, and then I got 1 brand new licensed bar. So I'll go over that first. I got the Pixar Monstropolis from Monsters Inc. I'm a huge Monsters Inc. fan, but I heard that this was gonna be really good, and I was not disappointed. This is wonderful. I think I might have to put this in my club, even though I'm probably not gonna melt it until I get a warm day going on. If you are a Scentsy fan, this is a mix of Mickey Mouse and Friends and Berry Bright. So put them together, and my best friend gave the best analogy. It's a raspberry lemonade. That's what this is. It seems like it's gonna be a strong one too. It is really, really good. I'm surprised this is not sold out yet, but this is the brand new Pixar's Monsters Inc. Monstropolis Scentsy bar. This is really good. If you're able to grab it, please do. It is a great one. It also comes in a scent pack. I'm not sure if the scent pack is sold out or not, but if you're able to grab one of these, make sure you do it. Okay, so my bundle and save, I did mainly Christmas time scents because I realized I didn't have any on hand. So this first one is Be Merry. This is going to be the first time that I've melted it, and this is like a pine or a balsam with maybe a splash, the tiniest splash of cranberry or some sort of berry. Let's see what Scentsy says. Okay, Be Merry is pine boughs dotted with holly leaf and cassis. I don't have my glasses on. Cassis. This is really nice. It's like the slightest bit of sweet and tart with that pine and holly. I'm really enjoying this, smelling it on cold. Can't wait to smell it probably in December time. Okay, next is Very Merry Cranberry. This is a staple for me every holiday season, and it is just tart cranberries. That's the best way to describe it. There's no spice in this. I don't smell any wood note or anything like that. Let's see what this says. It says lush red winter berries. It says some snow-covered cedar, but I don't get any cedar from this. I just get luscious cranberry, and I love it. And I actually usually use this late November, like around Thanksgiving time. I really like cranberry scents during Thanksgiving. I don't know why, but I really do. So that's Very Merry Cranberry. Okay, next is another one, Silver Bells. I remember melting this even when I was pregnant with my first daughter, so we're talking 9 years ago now. And this is just like a creamy vanilla to me. I mean, a creamy minty scent. So maybe like a vanilla mint. Although Scentsy has a vanilla mint. Let's see what this one says. Silver Bells. Did I say it was Silver Bells? If I didn't, I'm sorry. Mint candy canes dance over warm and welcoming winter pear, all enveloped in a velvety blanket of caramel and vanilla sugar. I do not get any caramel. Even melted, I don't. I don't know what winter pear is, but I get candy canes and the vanilla sugar, and it's delightful. I really like it. If you're somebody that doesn't like that super sharp candy cane scent, you need something to kind of make it softer, Silver Bells is going to be your jam. That is Silver Bells. If I sound a little rushed, it's because I really don't want my kids interrupting me and I really got to put them to sleep, but I really wanted to get through this stuff so I could get this up and start using some of it. Okay, next is Candied Cranberry Pecan. And I actually heard about this from another YouTuber, and I'm intrigued. I was intrigued by it when I smelled the tester. I get, of course, cranberry, a tart cranberry. I get a slight bakery note, which I'm assuming is the pecan. And yeah, maybe a candied pecan. It says, okay, candied cranberry pecan is actually listed under bakery. It says classic cranberries and pecans and sweetened by sugar cane and a ribbon of brandied plum. Yes. So that brandied plum is what gives it that little extra, maybe a little bit of spice into it. I can't wait to melt this. This seems like a very complex cranberry scent, and I'm here for it. You can definitely tell the difference on cold between Very Merry Cranberry and the Candied Cranberry Pecan. Okay, two more, which are Christmas tree scents, I think. This is Just For You. Oh, and I really like this. I definitely get the pine. Is it pine or fir tree? I don't know. They all smell the same, you know, Christmas tree-ish. Like, let's see. Just For You says, oh, this is a new release. Wild Blackberry offers its one-of-a-kind sweetness to fir balsam and pine needles. Yes. The pine needles and the fir balsam are the main strong notes. But that wild blackberry, because I was wondering what it was, I was giving it a little bit of a sweet note. And that is what it is. That blackberry just gives it the slight sweetness that makes it different from other Christmas tree or balsams type scents. Just For You. I'm excited about this one too. I'm excited about all these. I'm going to have to come up with a negative report so you guys don't think I'm just biased. Okay, and finally, this is my all-time favorite Christmas tree scent, at least from what I know, because I have to try the Just For You, and also I really want to try the Feelin' Pine one that Scentsy released with the 3-pack. But this is Very Snowy Spruce. You had to know that if I was going to talk about Christmas tree scents, this is going to be it. And this is just a Christmas tree, true, authentic Christmas tree. Oh, I love it. It says, Very Snowy Spruce is, of course, a bestseller. And it says, balsam spruce and cedar branches with woody pine cones. Oh, and a little bit of amber, it says. I don't get amber at all. I just get balsam, spruce, yes, some cedar branches. This is just Christmas tree. Just call this thing what it is. It's a Christmas tree. It is wonderful. I love it. I can't get enough of it. I have to get a bar every single year. Very Snowy Spruce. It ain't going nowhere, I don't think. This is great. Love it. If you are looking for a true, authentic Christmas tree scent, Very Snowy Spruce is going to be it's right up your alley. If you're looking for something that is just true Christmas tree scent, you can't go wrong with Very Snowy Spruce. You will thank me. It is just a true, authentic Christmas tree scent. All right, everybody. That was my launch day haul. Or my launch party haul. Thank you so much for sharing it with me. If you like what you saw here today, give this video a thumbs up. Oh, and just to recap, if you didn't know how I got the half price item and the product credit, basically, if you hit certain tiers of your party in terms of sales, you get product credit and half price items. So if you get a $200 sales thing, you get, I believe, $20 in product credit and one half price item. And it could be any half price item. And that included that bundle. So if you get a bundle, like a laundry bundle that's normally $50, you can get it for $25. If you get like $350, it's more. If it's $500, it's more. If it's $1,000. So if you are interested in either hosting a party or if you're interested in any of the products that I have and you have any questions, you're welcome to leave a comment or you can contact me. I will put my website in the description down below if you don't already have a consultant, of course. But otherwise, yeah, I just wanted to share how happy I am to get all these fun products with you. So thank you again for watching, and I will talk to you guys again next time. Bye-bye.